1969 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Aztec, New Mexico for $8,000. Partially rebuilt with a refreshed engine, new carburetor, radiator, brakes, rims, and tires. It has a minor engine issue known as a lifter tick, which may just need adjustment or possibly a new lifter and camshaft. The car hasn't been driven much since the issue started. The seller is mainly looking for trades, preferably another classic car that runs and drives reliably. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1969) Oldsmobile 442, listed in Moreno Valley, California for $11,000. A real 442 model with its original 400 V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, equipped with power steering and power brakes. The car starts and runs, but has been sitting for a while. Some rust in the rear quarter panels and a little in the trunk, but the floors and frame are solid. Selling to downsize, no trades, and the price is firm. Clean title in hand. (1968) Chevrolet El Camino, listed in Indianapolis, Indiana for $18,500. This rust-free classic has an older enamel paint job from the early 90s. It features a rebuilt 327 V8 engine with only 40 miles on it, upgraded with double hump heads, a performance intake, an Edelbrock carburetor, and coated headers. The rebuilt turbo 400 automatic transmission includes a shift kit and stall converter. It rides on new weld wheels with BFG Goodrich tires and has all new drum brakes. Extras include a snap-on tonneau cover, new locks, and an old-school key alarm system. (1968) Plymouth Barracuda Notchback, listed in Palmdale, California for $17,000. Has a 318 V8 engine that runs and drives. Odometer shows 38,000 miles. Recently got a new alternator and starter. Solid car with no rust and no leaks. Mostly complete and finished. Registered until September. (1966) Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Vail, Arizona for $14,500. A very nice classic that is almost finished, about 95% complete. Powered by a 289 V8 engine with an automatic transmission, recently repainted and sitting on brand new tires. (1971) Chevrolet Camaro Coupe, listed in Laveen, Arizona for $18,000. Powered by a 350 V8 engine with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Upgrades include headers, an Edelbrock carburetor, Posey traction, and 17-inch Year 1 rally wheels. Recently replaced gas tank and power steering pump. Arizona title is clear and restored. Paint is rough with peeling clear coat. Open to trades, but only for classic Chevrolet cars. (1972) Chevrolet Nova, listed in Douglas, Kansas for $19,900. This classic is powered by a 350 V8 engine with a mild build for extra performance paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It has a 10-bolt rear end with 350 gears and posy traction for better acceleration. The car has new wheels, tires, and brakes. The interior is nearly finished, and the solid body has no major rust. The paint has imperfections and could use a repaint. Everything works, and it is reliable for long drives. Open to trade offers. (1971) Chevrolet Monte Carlo, listed in Moorhead, Minnesota for $11,000. In good condition with a freshly rebuilt 350 Chevrolet engine featuring a mild cam for extra power paired with a 350 automatic transmission. Many new parts, including rims, tires, radiator, hoses, vacuum lines, spark plugs, wires, brakes, and exhaust, giving it a great sound. The seller is open to trades and is specifically looking for a crew cab pickup of similar value. (1978) Pontiac Firebird Formula Coupe, listed in Gilbert, Arizona for $9,200. Equipped with a small block Chevy 350 engine and a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The engine, transmission, and front end were rebuilt 9 years ago with $7,000 in receipts to show the work. Recent updates include new carpet, some interior parts, a carburetor, a battery, and tires. Runs and drives well, a fun car to take out on the road. Open to possible trades for other classic cars. (1964) Chevrolet Corvair, listed in Capitan, New Mexico for $15,500. All original classic with a 2.7-liter engine making 110 horsepower. Odometer shows 17,700 original miles. Car is in great shape and well preserved.